Love seeing that. Alright. If I remember correctly, this goes like this. This gets winded up right there. Once you line up the gear with the notches in the case, you can use your kicker to test it to make sure it works properly. Next, I'm putting on the case halves. There's 2 dowel pins that make it very easy and align it. Just tap it in with the mallet and make sure the gasket is lined up. There are different size bolts, so just make sure that they go in the right slot. They all stick out about the same, so just make sure that they're all about the same width. Then I'll get new gaskets and I'll clean it up nice. It's very important that you remember the way that you took it off, because that's exactly the way you have to put it back on. All the spacers have to go exactly how they were, in the same order. That's how we found out it's fixed. Pretty much, this was always spinning when the wheel moved. Bam, perfect. Oh, let's hope I'm not just talking shit. You shouldn't do this, but I don't have the proper tools, so we're doing it. You should always leave your clutch plates dipped in oil if you're gonna leave them out the engine. That way they're not dry and they don't have any sticking issues. Alright, I got all the plates in. Time to put this part. And I need this guy right here.